Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video I will tell you how you can solve the paper John problem in Canon DR-C230. I hope this video will be helpful for you, but you must have to watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video I will tell you how you can solve this problem. But first of all, you have to follow these steps. After following these steps, your problem will be solved. Here you can see that this problem is still available, so you have to turn off the scanner first of all. Then you have to remove all the pages. You have to check each and everything. It will not affect on the job selection. You can change and not it totally depends on you, but this reason is behind another reason. So let's check. As you can see that after changing the jobs, it will not affect. Same problem has been occurred, so you need to turn off it first. So let's see. I am turning off. After turning off, you can close a door. First of all, you have to remove the pages, then you have to close the door, and here you can press the open button. And yes, you have to close first, and you have to press, and you can open the door by pulling out. After pulling out, here you can see that lot of dust are here available, but this is not a main main cause of this problem. But I will tell you later on this problem when or where this problem is occurred. This problem is occurred due to the dust. It is clear. As you can see that here are no pages are available in the scanner, but still problem is same. If the page are stuck in the scanner, then the problem will be occurred. But if there are no pages, then why this problem is occurred? So one reason is that due to dust. You have to clean it carefully, each and everything. You have to clean the sensor. Where is sensor? I will tell you at the end of the video. But here you can see that you have to clear each and everything with the tissue or cloth or paper. Then you have to clean the sensor. Here you can see that this is a sensor, and you have to use it the CTC or body spray or petrol. You can just click here and wash it. You can wash it by the cloth, using cloth, and similarly on the opposite side. This is the main area of the sensor. This is the main area of the sensor. You have to clean it carefully with the CTC, petrol or body spray. You can use it after removing the power of the scanner. By cleaning it carefully, your problem will be solved. If your problem will not solved, then you have to watch another video, but in 99% your problem will be solved by cleaning this area, this sensor. Because this sensor, when the dust came on in the front of the sensor, then it tells that there was a problem behind it. As you can see that this is a sensor. You must have to clean it carefully like this cities, and you have to fill it, and then you can clean it with the tissues, and you can find it. I hope this video is helpful for you. If your problem has been solved, well and good. If not solved, then you must have to visit the channel, and then you can open it, and after opening you can clean it. After cleaning it, your problem definitely 100% will be solved. Thanks for watching. Take care.